shore of Australia, specifically Port Douglas. And we're out here in the middle of the ocean on a sand dune. So today, just a couple of points about limited liability companies. Perhaps some of you have heard about this entity. They are now statutory creatures in most states, and they are a way to create asset protection for the owners. Regular corporations, whether an S corporation or a C corporation, cannot provide. So specifically, what that means is if an asset is held by a limited liability company, there are some statutory protections for the benefit of the owners that other company types do not have. So one thing that came up this week before we left on our trip was the idea of, well, what do you do if you own multiple real estate properties or multiple entities? And if you put all those entities in one LLC, does that expose all of the assets inside that LLC if there's an incident on one of the assets in the LLC? And the answer is most likely yes. So what's developed from that is this concept called a series LLC, where in effect you create a holding company, a parent LLC if you will, and then under that you create pods or series of different LLCs to own each individual property. That will limit the liability and the risk exposure from that one asset to that specific LLC. More about that later. I'm happy to visit with you. You know how to get in touch with us. 405-843-6100. I'm going to sign off. Larry Parman, beautiful view out here in the ocean. Scott might even pan a little bit as we wrap it up. Have a great day.
If you would like to learn more about creating an estate plan for your family, protecting your assets if you have to go into a nursing home, or transitioning your business, call 405-843-6100 or send an email to info@parmalon.com. That's 405-843-6100 and info@parmalon.com. Thank you.